In this video, I would like to walk you through our orders module. In this view, you can see two different parts under orders and order lines. In orders, you can search your purchase order numbers and all of the purchase orders information, and you can see the SKU number related information under order lines. So here on the left hand side, you can see the description of those POs, the PO number, and also the transport mode related to those purchase orders. In this section, you can see either supplier or the buyer, and 4 main milestones, which is pickup, departure, arrival, and delivery milestones. Location is also available pertaining to those particular milestones. Apart from pickup and delivery, we also show the required ex-works and also required in-store. This will help you analyze the performance of your suppliers, whether it's timely booked or not. And if we go into details of one of the order, you can see the order line level information, which means you can see your SKU number. So here, apart from the SKU number, you can also see the invoice number, container number, and quantity. This is showing a split orders, which means one is still in planned, so there is no shipments created yet for this particular order, and the other one, it is already planned to a particular shipment. So here you can see the summary of the routing and the status bar that shows where the shipment is. If we click the View Shipment button, it will take you to that particular shipment, and you can see more detail of that shipment. The estimated and actual milestones are available in this Route tab. If you go into the Details tab, you can see the other information related to that particular shipment, including the Go Green level of information, such as total carbon footprint and also the main haul efficiency. If you wish to see the documents that are available in those shipments, you can go to the Documents tab and choose the documents that you want to download or the one that you want to upload. If we go back to the orders main page view, you can also search for these particular orders based on your PO number. This allows us to search more than one item. Just add space in between those two values, and you can see those 2 or more purchase orders. We also have the filter on the pickup, departure, arrival, or delivery milestones, and you can freely choose the custom date range that you like. Alternatively, you can also add more filters, including the route, transport mode, status, and the phase. In order lines, the similar features are available, and you can search even under the SKU number level.